this one, once we attack it with our Gaussian elimination, we'll find that it's inconsistent. So again, just looking at it, there's no way of knowing that, so we just dive in our usual way, and we'll start by setting up the augmented matrix. Okay, so we've got our system here, so we'll have 1, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 5, 7, 9, 1. And again, I'll try and remember to put that dashed line down there. Okay, so as usual, we'll use the top entry up here to clear away the 3 and the 5 underneath it. So our row operations will be row 2 becomes row 2 minus 3 row 1, and row 3 becomes row 3 minus 5 row 1. Now remember, I only ever do a set of operations one column at a time. So let's see what that gives us. So on the first row, nothing will change. Second row, we're taking away 3 copies. So we'll get 3 minus 3 ones is 0. We'll get 5 minus 3 threes is negative 4. We'll get 7 minus 3 fives is going to be negative 8. And we'll get 9 minus 3 sevens will be negative 12. On the bottom row, we're taking away 5 copies, so it's going to be 5 minus 5 ones is 0. 7 minus 5 threes is going to be negative 8. 9 minus 5 fives will be negative 16. And then we'll have 1 minus 5 sevens will be negative 34. I believe, yes. Okay, so that's good. And once again, I'm going to divide each row by... Oh no, let's just leave it as it is this time. In the other example, I divided the rows to get nice ones. This time we'll just do the row operation directly, just for variation. So we want to get rid of the negative 8 now, using this negative 4 as our row we're going to add on to it. So the row operation will be row 3 becomes row 3 minus 2 times row 2. That will make the negative 4 into a positive 8. When we add them together, we'll get a 0. Okay, so let's just fill in our matrix. 1, 3, 5, 7. This one remains unchanged. Put in these dashed lines. Then at the bottom here, we're going to have 0. Negative 8 minus 2 negative 4s, as we decided, was 0. Negative 16 minus 2 negative 8s is plus 16, which is 0 as well. And then negative 34 plus 24 is going to be negative 10. Alright, so we can see here that the last equation basically it says x1 plus 0x1 plus 0x2 plus 0x3 equals negative 10. So the last equation is 0x1 plus 0x2 plus 0x3 equals negative 10. Is inconsistent, which means it has no solution, and so the linear system itself is inconsistent. And that's all there is to it. We don't have to do any back substitution or anything. At this point in time, we're done. Okay, the end.